if you're having issues with the product key code, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So what you want to do is from the home screen, come down here, click on settings, and then from here scroll down to update and security. On the left side, click on activation. So right here where it says edition, you want to make sure you have the Pro version of whatever Windows you have. So in my case, Windows 10 Pro, or if you have Windows 11, it should say Windows 11 Pro. But if it says home, that's the wrong edition. What you want to do is reinstall Windows and make sure you install the Pro version of it. So in my case, I'm good to go. All I have to do is change the product key and make sure I tap in correctly. But if your case, if it says home, what you want to do is plug in the USB. And what you want to do is click on it. And from there, click on setup. And then from there, you just want to reinstall Windows. And like I said, you want to install Windows 10 or 11 Pro, not the home version. Once you're in the setup, you can see here there's a bunch of additions. Here, Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home N. Just go down to Windows 10 Pro and just install that version. And then once you're in, input the product key at the end. You should be good to go. Other than that, thank you guys for choosing PC Tech.